BandLab versus N-Track. Which DW wins? Choosing the right digital audio workstation can completely change how you create music without struggling with complex interfaces. BandLab offers cloud-based collaboration, while N-Track focuses on powerful local recording features. BandLab and N-Track are both popular DAWs but serve different needs. BandLab is a free, cloud-based platform designed for easy collaboration and accessibility. N-Track is a traditional DAW emphasizing multi-track recording and detailed editing on your own device. BandLab is a cloud-based digital audio workstation that lets musicians create, edit, and share music online. Users can record audio, mix tracks, and apply effects directly in their web browser or mobile app. Its cloud infrastructure allows real-time collaboration, making it easy for artists to work together remotely. BandLab includes built-in mastering tools and a vast sound library, supporting creativity without extra plugins. The platform is free with unlimited projects, making it accessible for beginners and hobbyists. However, because it relies on internet access and cloud processing, it may not offer the same low-latency performance or advanced plugin support as desktop DAWs. BandLab is ideal for creators who want a straightforward collaborative environment without investing in expensive software or hardware, especially those producing music on the go or with a team. N-Track is a traditional digital audio workstation designed for detailed multi-track recording and editing on Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android devices. It supports unlimited audio and MIDI tracks, advanced effects, and virtual instruments, allowing users full control over the mixing process. N-Track excels in offering low-latency recording and a comprehensive set of tools for producers who prefer working offline on their own hardware. Its interface is more complex than BandLab's, but provides greater depth for sound design and production. The software supports VST and RU plugins, expanding creative possibilities. While N-Track requires a purchase or subscription for full features, it suits musicians and producers who need a powerful standalone DAW with professional capabilities, especially those focused on detailed studio work rather than cloud collaboration. BandLab and N-Track cater to different workflows. BandLab is perfect for musicians seeking ease of use and seamless online collaboration, ideal for remote projects or quick ideas. Its free access and cloud-based tools lower the barrier to entry but may limit advanced audio processing. N-Track offers a deeper feature set with professional-grade recording, editing, and plugin support, best suited for producers working solo or in a studio environment who need precise control and offline reliability. The trade-off comes down to accessibility versus power. BandLab shines in collaborative, internet-dependent setups, while N-Track delivers robust offline production capabilities with a steeper learning curve. Choose BandLab if you want a free, accessible DAW focused on cloud collaboration and quick music creation without the complexity of traditional software. Option for N-Track if you need a powerful, professional DAW with advanced recording and editing tools for offline use. Both platforms excel in their domains, so pick based on whether collaboration or deep production features matter most for your music workflow.